You wake up, check your phone, and scroll mindlessly. Another day, same routine. You tell yourself you will change tomorrow, but tomorrow comes and nothing happens. Weeks turn into months, and suddenly, you don't even realize who you have become. Trapped, stuck, watching life pass by. And the worst part, you don't even know how you have got here. Let me tell you something. You are not stuck. You are just repeating the same patterns. And the only way out? Shock the system. Right now, do something different. Anything. Take a cold shower. Delete the apps wasting your time. Go outside. Sprint until your legs burn. Because when your body moves, your mind follows. Momentum isn't something you wait for, it's something you create. Next, cut the dead weight, the toxic friends, the distractions, the habit that drains you. If it's not moving you forward, it's pulling you down. And then, set a 7-day challenge. Not a big goal, just a small, brutal mission. Work out daily, wake up at 5 am, build something real. Why? Because when you see yourself winning, even in small ways, you start believing you can actually win. Most people stay stuck because they wait to feel ready. But readiness is a lie. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Move first, figure it out later. The moment you stop thinking and start doing, you will realize you were never trapped. You just needed to take control.